Hey guys, like everybody else, I love a breakfast and I love Eggs Benedict for breakfast. But I wanted something with a bit of a different twist, so I decided to do up this Eggs Benedict sandwich on a bagel. It came out absolutely fantastic, so let me show you how to make this. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is add some butter, a good knob of butter, to a pan over medium heat. And we'll just kind of let this melt down. Grab up our bagel, and I'm using an everything bagel, and we're going to dip this into an egg mixture. Just a beaten egg, really, and that's going to give it that eggy effect. You don't have to do this, but I really like it done this way. And we're going to lay this down in that pan of melted butter just to toast up. Now, some people might say, well, why aren't you using an English muffin? Well, and you can, but in my opinion, they're way too small. Bagel works much better. Once that bagel and egg is beautifully toasted up, just look at that, I'm just going to set them aside on a plate. Now, in the same pan, in with a bit more oil, or a bit of oil, I guess. Then we are going to fry up our wonderfully yummy peameal bacon. Now, I know in some countries you can't get peameal bacon. It's kind of a Canadian product. But you can use, Parma ham, you can use deli ham, just anything you'd normally put on Eggs Benedict. Now, our ever so delicious peameal bacon is done. I'm just going to set this aside on a plate. Oh, this smells good, guys, already. Next up, in a clean pan, I'm going to add in some water, followed by a couple of caps of vinegar, and this just stops the eggs from sticking. And we'll just bring this to a boil. Now we'll slip our eggs in. And I'm going to kill the heat, slip a lid on, and we're going to let this poach for 3 minutes. I should mention too, guys, that I always use a bowl when poaching eggs. It just stops the egg from breaking, and if the eggs break, it just totally ruins the poached egg. While the eggs are poaching, I'm going to put that wonderful peameal bacon on the bottom of the bagel. And oh, this just fits perfectly. After 3 minutes, we're just going to remove the lid. Oh, and just look at this, guys. Just about perfect. Of course, we're going to let this water drain off. And onto our ham we go. Just like that. Okay, let's quickly make up our Hollandaise sauce by adding 1/4 cup of butter, or half a stick, to a pan, and we'll just let this melt down. In with 1/2 cup of water, and our Hollandaise mixture. And I'm only using half a pouch here because it's just for 2 eggs, so I don't need the full pouch. And this has come to a boil, and we're just going to continue to mix this and whisk and stir until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now our Hollandaise sauce is just about perfect. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's going to be so yummy. And I'm just using the pouch stuff because it's a lot easier, but you can do it from scratch too. Now it's time to add that Hollandaise sauce over the egg. And a little crack of salt, we don't need too much, and some ground black pepper. And there you have it, our perfect Eggs Benedict sandwich. So yummy. Okay, my friends, let's cut into this and see what we have. Look at that ooey gooey, wonderful yolk run out. The perfect poached egg. Perfect poached egg. Say that 20 times. Okay, let's put the top on this. And we're going to try our sandwich. Uh-oh. Just look at this, guys. Absolutely incredible. Okay, I'm going to try this. Messy as it is. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so good. The bagel with that egg on the top of it, the poached egg, the Hollandaise sauce. The best breakfast, the best Eggs Benedict you'll ever have. A little bit sloppy, but so good. You gotta make this. So good.